AB Courtyard Patio Package, Fresco. This patio package will fit on a 12 by 19 patio. These basic instructions can be modified to fit a different patio size. This layout will use the following blocks. The blocks are modular in size, with 2 AB York blocks equaling 1 AB Dublin block. The blocks come with built-in angles, so during construction, when an AB York, AB Dublin, or a wall cap meets up to a flat surface, some cutting will be required to give a finished look to the project. During construction, the AB Dublin blocks may be angled the wrong way, leaving a gap. Simply slide the block over and add in an AB York block. For more details on proper construction, see the AB Courtyard Reference Guide. Start by locating the placement of the grill by measuring or placing the grill in the center of the patio to determine the proper width needed for the grill surround. Place 2 corner blocks to mark where the inside of the posts will be on either side of the grill. Starting on one side, install 3 more corner blocks for the first course of the post. Corner blocks have a long side and a short side. Place the long side facing out. Check for level and use shims if necessary. For the first course, use the pre-marked blocks and cut down the center of the block to create 2 1/2 size blocks. Use a saw with a diamond blade and adhere to safety standards. Using one of the half-size cut blocks, remove the raised ring with a hammer and chisel, then place the block with the cut side facing out to finish the post layout. Using AB York and AB Dublin blocks, install the back panel. Finish with a corner block. Using the corner block on the back panel as a guide, install 3 more corner blocks to build the second post, just reversed from the first post. The initial corner block may need to be adjusted to match where the post needs to be built. Finish the second post with another half-size cut AB Dublin block with the raised ring removed. Now install the second course of the posts. This pattern will use 4 corner blocks that are installed so that they overlap the blocks below, offsetting the vertical seams. To start and finish the second course of the back wall panel, we will need to use cut blocks. This creates a straight side to the block to place against the corner block, giving us a clean, flush look when meeting up with the flat surface. For this project, we will be cutting AB Dublin blocks in half, as well as in a 3/4 and 1/4 size. These cut blocks will then be used on every course of the wall panels when meeting up with the side of the corner block. For this course, use the pre-marked blocks and cut down the center of the raised ring to create the 3/4 and 1/4 size. Install the 2 cut blocks on either side of the wall panel, with the cut side against the corner blocks. Install AB York and AB Dublin blocks between to complete the second course. To start the wall panel, we will need to use a cut block. Install the cut block against the center of the post to start the patio wall. Install AB York and AB Dublin blocks to where the next post will be located. This will determine the exact placement and the proper panel installation. If posts are built first, custom cuts will be needed on every course of the wall panels. At the end of this wall section, place a half-size cut piece with the cut side facing out to complete the section. Place 4 corner blocks with their long sides facing out so that the wall panel will be centered on the finished post. Install the next course of corner blocks so that they overlap the blocks below. To start the second course, cut another AB Dublin block, this time in half. This will ensure the blocks line up properly and the seams are offset from the course below. Place the cut side against the corner block to create the finished look against the post. Then stack AB York and AB Dublin blocks to build this section. Finish this section with a 1/4 size cut block with the cut side against the post. Stack up 2 additional courses of the post, grill surround, and an additional course of the wall panel, alternating between the patterns used on the first and second courses to offset the vertical seams. Then stack up an additional course of the post for the grill surround using 5 corner blocks with their long sides facing out, followed by 1 more course of the post using 4 corner blocks. Finish with wall caps, post caps, and your countertop material on either side of the grill. Using the same steps, Complete the wall panel and post on the opposite side to match. The next step of the layout is to build the bar. Start by measuring the space where it will be located and place the first corner block to set the back of the bar location. Place another corner block to build the corner. Then stack AB York and AB Dublin blocks to build the back wall of the bar. At the end, place 2 more corner blocks to build the corner as was done on the opposite side. To start the second course, a custom cut corner block and a cut AB Dublin block will be needed. Place 1 corner block so that it's offset from the corner blocks below. Measure and custom cut a corner block to complete the end. Build the wall panel starting with a 3/4 sized cut block. This creates a straight side to the block to place against the corner block. Using AB York and AB Dublins, build the back wall panel. At the next corner, end with a 1/4 size cut block. Cut side out to meet with the corner block. Then measure and install another custom cut corner block to finish the course. Using the same patterns from the first and second courses, build an additional 4 courses, alternating between each pattern per course, offsetting the vertical seams and locking the blocks together. On the 7th and top course, install the same pattern as was done on the first course. This time, place all of the blocks with the raised rings facing down. This creates a smooth surface for the countertop to be placed on. Install the countertop material. Secure it in place with masonry adhesive. For a complete library of Courtyard how-to sheets, visit us at allenblock.com and share your projects with us on social media. We'd love to see them.